guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia if you're new to my channel. In today's video I am participating in a treasure store makeover challenge hosted by Heidi from Happily Thriving Heidi and with Jessica from Measure and Mix. We are supposed to pick up something from a thrift store and do something with it. There is no budget. So I had picked this item up a long time ago and I just haven't had a chance to do anything with it. And then DIY Mommy back a while ago had given me an idea what to do with it because she has done something similar on her channel. So, and I did need something for my jewelry. So this is what I'm going to do is I am going to repurpose this cutlery board. I think that's what it's called, that I had picked up for $2 at a local thrift store, and I'm going to make it into my necklace holder. I don't need rings, or I might use it for bracelets as well, but mostly for necklaces. And I'm going to use some chalk paint to do that and some other materials, so come along. So here it is. The first thing that I'm going to try and do is remove this part. Now I'm going to sand this out, smooth it out. So I'm going to use a wood filler to fill in the little holes. So once this dry, I'm just gonna sand off any excess and paint it. For paint, I am using the Linen White by Rust-Oleum. And I am using paintbrush just from a dollar store. For the little holes, I'm just going to use a smaller brush. I'm going to apply 2 coats. So here it is with 2 coats. And I think I'm going to add a little bit of a design over here, and I'm just using a stencil from a Dollar Tree. I'm going to do spun gold. It turned out really pretty. I'm gonna do one on the bottom as well. Now I'm gonna take the sandpaper and just sand out some of the paint. Maybe distress it a little bit. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I'm going to go put it in my closet and hang up some jewelry. So here it is all done with some of the necklaces hanging. I really love the way this turned out. I just could use probably 3 or 4 more just to hang up all of my necklaces, or I should just maybe declutter some of them. But they all have some sort of sentimental value to me. So for now, I just put up the ones that I like to wear often, and some of my statement pieces. So I'd like to thank Heidi and Jessica for hosting this wonderful challenge, and I have enjoyed participating in it. And make sure you check out both of their channels, which I will have linked down below, as well as the playlist. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.